Hello everybody, it's 25. In this video I'm going to show you how to inspect element for a page source or view page source for HTML. Here's the example website, example.com. This shows you what it's like to code. It gets an idea of it. All you do is right click, view page source. Here's this page source here. Drag it over to here so you have more room to see it, and it shows you how this is made. Now for getting into HTML and coding, this is a great way to learn. Now it shows here the title, XML domain, and that's this here. Shows the background color, shows the width, size and padding and everything, the links, the div types. So again, this is a great way to learn how all websites are made by the source code. Now some of the time will get confusing. Let's go to Google, for example. Google is probably one of the best sites I know of, but their source code is confusing because it's not a basic website. And here it has all this code, at least, I don't know, 1,000 lines of code, but that's just for this basic home page here because it's a search engine. Now you can do with any site you want. Each one's different, some of them are the same. Good idea to see how it's made. I enjoy doing this because it shows you what kind of font they use, what kind of color for the background, how to make the buttons. There's a lot of easy types. Another way you can do it, go on here, go hit this button here, go to more tools, go to develop tools. This shows you the code of the home page too. So the console, the element, shows you what size you need. A little bit more confusing, but it's interesting to check out. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Any questions, put in the comments, and thanks for watching.